Hello dear students, I welcome you all in today's math video, and the topic which I am going to introduce to you today is multiplication. This is the sign or symbol of multiplication. What is multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition. When we add the same number again and again, that is repeated addition. And to avoid repeated addition, the method which we will use is multiplication. So, today I will introduce this topic with the help of a very nice activity, which is a notebook activity, kids, and the name of the activity is Bindi activity. So, the material which we required for that activity is the bindis and a glue or a favicol, as you can see here. Alright kids, and do you know from where I'll get these bindis? I'll tell you. I'll get these bindis from your own maths book. This is your mathematics book, right? And you can find out these bindis at the back of your book. Here, I have teared these bindis from your own mathematics book. So you can also tear these bindis from here. Alright kids, so now let's begin our activity. So as I have told you that this is a notebook activity, and here is my notebook. Okay, so our first example is 4 multiply by 2. So what is multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition. So here 2 is added 4 times, or in other words, we will have to make 4 groups of 2. So students, I am using yellow bindis to explain this with the help of an activity. So what we will have to do now? We will have to make 4 groups of 2 with the help of yellow bindis. Now I am making 4 groups of 2's with the help of yellow bindis. So here are my bindis. How many groups I'll have to make? I'll have to make 4 groups of 2's here. So look here, 1 and 2. This is my first group of 2. Now my second group of 2, 1 and 2 here. My third group of 2. How many groups we'll have to make? We'll have to make 4 groups of 2's, because 4 multiplied by 2 we are doing here. So now I am making my last group of 2 here. Now as you can see, I have made 4 groups of 2's here. So what we'll have to do is, we'll have to add them, because we are doing multiplication. That means repeated addition. This can also be written as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now let's count it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 times 2 is equals to 8. How much is this? It's equals to 8. Alright dear students. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 8. So why we will do multiplication? To avoid this repeated addition, we will do multiplication. So we can also read it as 4 times 2 equals to 8. It can also be read it as 4 times 2 equals 8. Alright, or it can also be written as 4 groups of 2. It can also be written as 4 groups of 2 because we have make 4 groups of 2 here equals how much we get in total? 8. Or we can also write it as 4 multiplied by 2. We can also write it as 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. So kids, 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. So what we did here, we make 4 groups of 2's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 8, which can also be written as 4 times 2 equals to 8, or 4 groups of 2 equals 8, or 4 multiplied by 2 is also equals to 8. So this is our first example which we did with the help of yellow bindis. Now our second example is 2 multiplies by 3. So this is also an example, but now I will not do this for you. You will do this example yourself, right? For this example, you will use 6 red bindis. You will do this example with the help of 6 red bindis. And how many groups you make here? You make 2 groups of 3 and do it as we did this one. Alright. So, do this activity kids. Best of luck. Thank you.